A new year, a new hope, new opportunities, and a new you. All of this can be possible if you trust in the magic of new beginnings. Hey, what's up, people? This is Anjali, and happy 2021. Let's dive into this year with the New Year book tag. I found this tag on the channel of Murphy Napier, and I have linked her channel down below, so do check that out. And before we dive into the tag, I want to ask you, how was your 2020? And which book are you excited to read in 2021? Now let's dive in. All the questions are here, and the first question is, how many books are you planning to read in 2021? My goal is same as last year's, that is 52 books in a year, and I'm so happy that I completed my goal of reading 52 books in 2020. Yay! But if you check my Goodreads, you won't find it there because there are so many books that I read and half read which are not on Goodreads. Next question is, name 5 books that you didn't get to read last year but want to make a priority in 2021. Well, there are so many books that I want to read because my TBR is ever growing. But there are few books which are in my priority list, which are these. The first is Agatha Christie's Murder on the Orient Express. I have heard a lot about Agatha and I want to try her work. So yes, this book I have of her. The next book is, I was reading this book in 2020. It's about bloody time period. Next is Let's Talk Money. I want to read more financial books this year, something on personal finance. And I have heard that this is one of the best books to start with. So yes. Next is Death by Sadhguru. This book I want to read this book as soon as possible. And Clues to Cosmos. And also, if you don't know, then I am hosting a readathon along with few bookstagrammers on Instagram for the book Built to Serve by Ewan Carmichael. So if you want to join in, then do check Instagram for more updates. Next question is, what genre do you want to read more of? I am a non-fiction reader. I like to read non-fiction and I want to explore more of non-fiction genres like finance, marketing, and I also want to explore fiction a lot. Like I said, I want to read Agatha. I also want to read The Fault in Our Stars. I also want to read Khaled Hosseini and so many books I want to explore this year. And I also want to start reading Hindi again. I used to read Hindi years back, but now my reading speed of Hindi is really slow and I want to get back to it. The next question is, name 3 non-book related goals for 2021. Well, the first non-bookish goal is to explore the field of public speaking more. So if you know anything like how should I start, what should I do first, then just please help me. Do share it with me. I'll be really grateful to you. The second non-bookish goal is to create more content. And third goal is related to this thing only. In 2020, I read a lot, but I didn't get chance to write more. I want to write more. And this year I am looking forward to write more things and create more content from that and create more content from what I am doing, what I am reading. So yes, these are the 3 non-bookish goals for now. Next question is, what's a book that you have had forever that you still need to read? Well, I have this book, Steve Jobs. I want to read this book, but just look at the commitment it is. And I am thinking to, pitch this book in the non-fiction club, and maybe we all can hold a sprint or a readathon for this book. So I'd be able to finish it. This is the book. The last question is, one word you are hoping 2021 will be. I hope that 2021 will be surprising. I just don't know. I have this new energy of this new year that is telling me that 2021 is going to bring you a lot of surprises, and I'm ready for all the surprises that life has to offer me. So this was the New Year book tag. If you have a bookish channel or you want to create bookish content, then this is the right time to do this tag. And if you do this tag, then do tag me. And I just have so many positivity, and I just have so many positive energy to give out in the world, and I'm sending it to you right away. So use it wisely, and happy reading. Bye bye.